Kimono by Cathy Delanssay in size 40 by 115 rounds, version 1. We start with prism pearls sprinkled in the black areas of her dress. So this special treatment is pretty much the same as the one for the smaller size of kimono in 30 by 85. The only difference is we will have more of these special beads to cover the areas of the painting. But it will be using the same ones, which are prism, old gold, and the flower gems. For version 2 of Kimono by Cathy Delanssay in 40 by 115 cm rounds, we now add old gold crystals or old gold diamonds that are used to fill in the middle of the biggest flowers. That one in her hair, that's old gold. And then we also have another one here in the bottom. A few others right over here. So instead of using the normal beads that you get for the middle of these big flowers, use the old gold diamonds instead. Kimono 40 by 115 cm rounds, version 3, now adds flower gems. These are the flower gems that will be placed on the specific yellow flowers in Cathy Delanssay's painting. So if we move this aside, you will see that it would have the shading of a flower, which we would no longer need because we are replacing that flat image into an actual flower. So it does not need all those colors as it already has the dimension of an actual flower gem. So simply use the black beads that you have, the same for M, so that it makes the flower stand out. Don't follow these codes X and this code any longer. Simply replace this entire thing with an actual flower gem and then surround it in black to make it really pop and stand out.